So I gotta make a third video, and I decided to make a random video on a random token. Basically, I got this token for referring someone I knew. I felt like it was a scam because I referred someone and I got $5 from it. That's right. Binance gave me $5 for referring someone. They deposited $200, traded $200, and I got $5 worth of token. Who knows? Maybe this RAM will go to like a couple bucks in the future, and that $3 of token. They gave me 2 coins, but I'm gonna talk about the RAM coin. Um, so they gave me like I think like 11 tokens or something, or 11 yeah, it's tokens, 11 tokens, and I decided to do a little bit of research on this. And it looks okay. I mean, you can also stake it on the Binance app. I think you get like 9% or something like that. Not sure. I can look on my app if I. Yeah, I'm too lazy. I don't really care. I don't have it staked right now. I only have like 11 tokens because it was like free. If it goes to like $1, that 11 tokens would be worth like $11. I think, yeah, $11. But I could buy more. I don't know. At the end of the day, um, you know, diversify. I don't know what's special about this, but it does have a low ranking. Rank 480. Who knows? Maybe one day it can be like ranked 100 and triple your money. It did go as high as $1 in April, and almost $1, and then it crashed when the Bitcoin market crashed in the summer, July, went as low as 14, 12, 13 cents. And then when Bitcoin rallied, it went all as high as 47 cents. So if you bought it at, hypothetically, if you are like the best trader in the world, you bought it at 13 cents and then you sold it at 47 cents, you would have tripled your money. This thing could go lower. We could see this thing go back to 15 cents. You could gamble there'll be another pump in the future for this, and you can also stake it and you will get some rewards. And then in the future, in 3, 4, 5 months, if you can buy it low enough, you could maybe double or triple your money on it. So definitely keep an eye on it. It's about 7 cents away, about 9 cents away from its 52-week low of 13 cents. So yeah, maybe keep an eye on it and buy it when it hits 13 cents. Stake it, get some rewards, and then in the future when it gets pumped back to maybe 40 cents, 50 cents, maybe you get lucky, it'll get pumped back to $1. Yeah, you can sell it, triple your money, make some profit. It was covered by a BitBoy scammer. I'm just kidding, BitBoy Crypto. I'm just kidding. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? At the end of the day, but it is covered by BitBoy Crypto, and you can see all these other people that covered it. So yeah, BitBoy Crypto has 1.43 million subscribers. We'll see what happens with that token. It's a good staking token, and it is a penny, super penny. It has a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens, current supply of 405. So if ever went to $1, it would be valued at $1 billion. Right now it's valued at 890 million. Fully diluted is 220. So at $1, it's $1 billion. It would be ranked top 100. So yeah. Anyways, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay. And also, if you want to, it's basically a scam. But hey, you want to look for mystery boxes. You get a mystery box. I get a mystery box. Look in the link in the description below for my Binance code and sign up to Binance, get a mystery box. You could win up to $500, but I feel like it's more like a scam. So hey, if you want to sign up to Binance, description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.